Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming runtimes and installing core extensions so the rest flows. Open VS Code, create front-end and back-end folders, then add them to one workspace. This keeps shared settings. Once done, initialize package, JSON or virtualenv in each folder and commit. vscode/settings. JSON for port and linting rules. Make sure to set distinct ports now to avoid conflicts. This first step avoids later confusion and creates a reproducible project layout you can extend. You now build the connection surface. Implement clear API routes in the backend, then call them from the front end using a base URL. If you use Create React App or similar, configure a proxy or set an environment variable to avoid cores. Alternatively, enable cores in the backend with explicit origins. Once done, test responses with the REST client inside VS Code and adjust headers. Make sure to keep secrets out of source control by using env and gitignore for sensitive values. You finish by running both services and verifying full flows from UI to database. Configure launch. JSON so you can set breakpoints in backend and frontend simultaneously. This reveals issues faster. Once done, automate concurrent starts with a script or task runner and add build steps for deployment. If things go wrong, first check network calls and server logs, then confirm environment variables and port mappings. Make sure to rerun tests after fixes to validate end-to-end connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.